few weeks ago we decided to go visit my friend Zane in Dallas, and actually I made a video about it. If you haven't seen it, the link is below. But when we were there, we actually also decided to drive down to Austin, which is about a 3-hour drive. We did a lot of cool stuff in Austin. Awesome city, strongly recommend. Good food, good people, good nightlife. But on the way there, we did some water tubing in the Comal River. And the Comal River has what's called water chutes, where the current goes faster in certain areas of the river, and we were not aware of that. We didn't read anything about it, but it's actually a lot of fun. The first two were cool, but after the third one, there's one that goes really fast, and the whole group took a tumble, and we lost everything, sandals, glasses, shirts, including my GoPro. So a lot of the footage for that, it's pretty much gone. So that was one of the tragedies we had. And also, we booked a room in a hotel, and it turns out when we got there, our room was actually canceled for some reason. So not only did I lose the GoPro and all the video for it, but we also didn't have a room to stay for that night. So it was a little chaotic, but we managed to get a room and enjoy the night and make the best of it. So here's the rest of the video. So we just had some amazing barbecue here at La Barbecue in Austin. Amazing brisket,
so good.
Ribs. Pulled pork was a little spicy for my taste, but everything else definitely worth the wait. On the way to Austin, we found this awesome rest stop called Buc-ee's. They have a gas station, it's a convenience store, it's like a Target, it's a restroom area, anything you want, they absolutely have. It's like a fast food place, so you can get food, you can get candy, drinks, you can get clothing. They have everything, absolutely everything you need. It's a must stop, must check out. It's definitely a destination spot.